angel just the Pungam San. So the three ones they introduce the Kessan ones with the talking is to triangle in our ne, and Turim each on those parts our chevre. So that was dinner on Turim kitchen, but in any seeing us Tipa Giant, Tomek Cheshim and Shingi, Turim each on the part, Dibare, area of similar triangle, get Turim chick down, basic proportional Turim Lana Chile, tells Turim Lana Chile, the eating on the part to a check. The thing on the ma introduce thing on to the Pythagoras theorem, and Pythagoras law in mathematician Kevon. The Kugi contribution Mango Yuba Narone, triangle correct contribution, the best contribution to correct law in Bana, and Kugi theorem did it. And to choose to come to the Pythagoras theorem, they want to push a Mango down your rate. The impana push it down to the Oman, down to the Kali law in Banadella to give properties. Push it down, say Shijila. Danish and tools to say. Did the Dichibare Kaisnako Pythagoras race? The dressing of Kungegure. The thing of Pythagoras Turim law in Panamanzugi, proof shation to the natural Manzugi, Turim Lagures. So the Impossible that thing of the Pythagoras Turim Juratimasma Kungier, to the juvenile. That the Pemisication Morta Kaisna Manzugi triangle Joe in Pana, triangle gay, thus side the Yanchi. Pythagoras intimate triplet Gugurda. Who kept the Yamama dinner, the Pythagoras triplet low in Bana, Tata Dotungenji. Patient show in Bana, and the Pythagoras Turin Pestan and to side and there to Kissing on the side knee Habuguna, side Sumbating and Tugi, Pythagoras Turin Pesatani, there to that they never showed it. Patient on the building tall shoot and out hide the Habugumena, Roa, dinner and Tugi Kenza looks for sharp. The ning on to be based the Tegata and based down on to get the Kenza and attack by an butcher at the Pestan and to get building the Ziga tour. Thing I had this Pestan by the good student Pestan. She thing on the Marcatran by the good student, I think on the Marcungeta. And it catches Sushila by the good student lava to work of the triangle Chazan or Tokyo Marta. The intimate sensor triangle Chazan or by the good student the Pajur. The Kadu. Peugeot law in Pana, Casey triangle, the right angle triangle, that the ketchup in the Puzola. Right angle triangle in Pana, Shini by the good student to Peugeot, right angle triangle manner, and by the good student Peugeot Mares, the Tambung and Lash. The by the good student is statement the Karla law in Pana, in a right triangle, the right triangle Geobenas, right triangle dinala, the square of the hypotenuse, that the goes watch the right triangle you nani red triangle to a deal hypotenuse lady. Hypotenuse Karshin like to love in Pana thing unto give longer side. Longer side Karishin chart to love in Pana angle sum you ever now ne angle tosho shura, mangsho shura, the opposite side. And 19 triangle chicken now 180 measure degree shura. Some of them 180 measure mare, the now chick 90 the mangshu imbarwa. Shamba need the dom in 90 go get the level. So that means the now in 90 the mangshu opposite side the Lamantugi hypotenuse lady. So the catch murda. So ding on to hypotenuse the shape. And the base thing on to she sharks carry do show in by a right angle triangle draw. In a hypotenuse tangent, has 90 opposite draw. So base the shana degree, base the shana ko kebaka yomare. The trigonometry na gesture base Karishagris and Kare angle tedo. Angle table of public and shining to B than P de Segaturwa. The man by another Pythagoras stream like Kawaka base Karim Kawa Yomare. Roa, Imba never should the red thing onto Karimba hypotenuse in by the Gosuachiruchi. Then a do show in by not being a base race, being a P rail or Cheshire. Roa, the Imba didn't show in by not want to knee half on somebody say to rail. Ni Kare Hakoma would help me half on somebody to say 2 race. So that the Kare Segre and drink to draw there. The hypotenuse the square down another. Hypotenuse red descent the square down in by us is equal to the sum of some domino. Karatongo the low in by square down you, Kare square down you, other two side Kare, green down, yellow need the other two side. Korani la square down in Domjo Teta, and red la square down in Domjo Nide, Chipare. The square lavato was in Jiminji similar to Chi. They need to put the square down in Tunda Harari, Tunda Kamare, they square down like they did it. Yellow Jochim, yellow square down like Kamara, yellow detail, they did it. That the Karsas square shasa. nge duk shaw in bana square chegre de square law ne inchim ni kan karo area ro area square le tunga to area ke chegro chese nge duk shaw in bana sia yellow ki square ta anor so dig area khare law in bana dig descend ro so side into side so di ta dig area to dig area de ta green area chora de dig green ro de ya green purana pa ki area chegro so this the square the yellow square the dom by nas and red the square tang kyong ni de chikwa res tang ngi chik pyo ba la dire triangle dire blue jara ting as a triangle di na lo ne and dig size do de la to side dig area ta khare la area ta do base the area ta de ting as the base the square che ko square cha de re ani de dig answer ke height of chim by na dig area sine bare so dig area the dig area ni do by na an khadu na hypotenuse ki square tang kyo chura di chik pare la de de so that it see that the bubble chidwa dig answer hypotenuse la square so kyo de dig side ni chik pus nya re an khoni ngazu ya ma dig ni di ni tup ni dig wa in by na an ngazu la dig area the chik pus char de di ni area chik pus nya so dot do wa in by na area of this base plus area of this P is equal to the area formed by the hypotenuse or the ni to by na di da chikpa chake re la ta thring adu di khung ke ro chesa khung ke pa ge la drawing by na okay so that thing na la adu khala to lo in by na 당분 가서 계산기 가서 계시로 나 신기 튜링지 프루프 쉐라 아니 디나랑 스텝은 가셔 구구로 띵어도 많이 좀 제시 so 당부디 나랑 가서 가르치고도 라고 이바이나 디나라 가르쳐도 that is given so write the given first here 당부디 가서 given 쉐 given 가르쳐도 라나 in a right triangle 라고 손다 A B C should the right angle triangle is 아니 angle the right angle 데 가도 라나 B gana those so the given kardo law in bana A B C is a right triangle is a right triangle right angle at B right angle khawdo na right angled at B gana right angle those 90 the B gana those so ding one to become to be given the shape that given to you in bana din on what level karere what karishiko din on to prove raw the kesan to chewa chemba dig pattern de to kesan samar first down da din inchme chitu achirushi ta to kare kunge odu la din on na nge to the desk lo china kunge ga to law in bana the hypotenuse and AC the hypotenuse so the square term hypotenuse the square term in AC the square term is equal to sum other two side AB square plus BC that is kunge shura that is the AC the hypotenuse the square term square la goes for the do square so you ya square so you pa square so you and chuani de dom ne che de chikpa chagi re la so de de tinga zo ma khung ke de che ta de shula ma tu ki construction chiga khasa de proof chiga to sten ma construction chi go gi so zan de ma khare re construction chi ro so de la construction chunju ji go re de khar chi do law in pa na de gi ge right angle so gyo chwa de ne chi ni ma khar ti la na perpendicular is so then mangi those perpendicular is so perpendicular na is that thing ning la to p ta na degree q ta na degree e ta na degree d ta na ko khar ta na chi ta ro so in a dot de na 90 degree the construction khar che law in bana draw BP is perpendicular to AC la perpendicular is that is BP is perpendicular to AC. So this is only a construction. Construction the date was it. How about ma kungen draw so that then I'm proof. PROOF proof now in bana. Now ma kungen to gain out. That chick how what you can similar triangle chick now la similar triangle and a carriage imaging. triangle ni similar in by nas 와 아니 디 나로는 내가 치쇼 angle 상황 찍고 차기래 찍지 니와들은 그게 사이즈로 와 사이드 더 triangle 니나 지기 corresponding side 디기 corresponding side 파초기 빠라라 ratio 상황 찍고 차기래 깨지 디요와 또 디요는 시 드링디 나나서 comparison 치고 이번에 triangle right angle triangle 나라 가르라도 라나야 디기 트림 찍 나라 가르라나 따진 것도 properties 나는 디도 가르라도 라나 90 form chi angle dene ma perpendicular chi opposite side la tin draw in by nas and chua ni chi do chua ni de ni ja che gi nyam do similar cha gi le la de tyrim ta ina kan cha gi do ma de des kung ke chu ro ta nga comparison ni chi da chua de dang che chi che chua de dang che gi pa la comparison and ding wo khare ha ku do la in by na 19 ni chi sha gyo perpendicular chi sha gyo triangle form chi gi na chua chi dang che gi pa la similar cha gi yo chi ding pa ja kung ke du gre so that thing found in jungda ta tam gi thabo de in triangle ABP in the ABP chua chi dang and triangle ABC chua chi da che gi pa la comparison chi ne pa draw in by na chunga chikdang chegi paral pa drawing by na koni similar chagi du chagi mun ta yan darwa ni cha lo la a joer angle a de dwe che na la de re chunga na la a so angle a the angle a chi da angle a is equal to angle a comment da dinal comment che da na shin ni cha lo la ka do chunga din na la nan ji de do de nan ji do che na la nan ji ya ge ro so angle yang yang nan ji ni che do dinal ai ka bu ji chen da angle chunga na la angle b chi ro che gi na la angle b chi ro an ka do la na 90 degree each ro ni cha lo nan ji ro so dor de similarity re mare la di na lo na condition chik na khare la na angle ni chi ba yin ba na ku ni da shin similar chi angle similarities le ro so angle ni chi ba na angle so ba de chi ba yin ro so angle sama chi ba yin bi kimzel ta ni ko kan so phar cha go re and similar share so dot in a triangle ni kardo similar is so therefore triangle ABP is similar to triangle ABC by phar cha de na angle similarity ro that is similar cha na and the English na similar cha yo in ba na digi ngantu ki side ki ratio khare khar che re ta no ko ye chu dam san ji sam dam go yo ma ro so go ye chu de ba na 디 나오는 총은 하시기 전에나 사이숨이라 사이직 사이니 사이숨지요 체나라 사이직 사이니 사이숨이요 so 디요라는 게 총을 들리는 게더라 총의 지가 저걸 빼셔서나 AB 조심 봐나 AB 총하기 AB 된다 총하기 AB 다딩아도 심리 차게 상황도 레시오 차버다 AB AB로와 레시오 대 체계의 AB 당 체계의 다시 거쳐이래 dini chiba chaya mare dini chiba cha hypotenuse ro ta dida dini pare ma so ta AP gi adjacent kar do nan A to A gi adjacent AP kar do che gi kar do AB ro so there are AP da AB che chig so ta da na shin chunga gi AB de samdan da chunga gi AB 된다 chunga gi AB da che gi 같이 래 AB la A gi adjacent ro 충하기 hypotenuse 말아 돌되어 있는 A B 라고나 충하기 hypotenuse 안 책이 hypotenuse 가래 AC로 와. 그때는 어떻게 ACLNT. 레시오 찍고 책이라 다음에 시 숨바대 찍고 책은 숨바는 거 고액 해면만 뚝 샤신 찍으러 와. so 딩에 맞으러 쓰는다 나라나 맞으신으로. so 디버드 찍직서. 다 딩에 얘기 같이는 크로스 멀티플라이 당식인다. AB into AB. AB into AB AB square 와. so there 어떻게 AB square is equal to dia cross mentang ching by na AP into AC ro AP into AC ro ta ting egi equation chik de shingda shaba ke che mar ro wa zogi chunga chik da che yi kan be shin ta da ma shin ga pa che ki chunga de da che ji kan be shin da an ding ngo result ka la do ta ngo la similar in ba kung ke tu sa similar ka chin re la wi ba na 아니 angle 니저로 angle 찍고 싶어서 angle similarity. So this similar in person zang the ratio the ratio ma the ratio the ratio marwa similar manner ratio ratio marwa ko similar in zang ratio 찍고 시작이어와 다 대체 채우는 시 양지 찍고 시작 다만 dinner 때문에 고체 찍다 중에 바로나 similar 차기나 아니 맞아 샤바니디야 찍고 len 거로 similarly in triangle the triangle chung 찍으면 CB 와 CBB triangle 와 CBB 다 and triangle 샤브시네션 와 뒤충아들다 CBB 라우 당한테 디나신 게 체나라잖아 CB A 라다와 CBA triangle 상하도 체지다 중앙이 바라리 양경하고 같이 오래 comparison chair 다들 내가 좋을 것수 양경하고 angle 좀 쳐라 디니 comment 레니 잘로 난지 오래 거 comment 체기도 와 so comment 체기 요소상 꼭 같이 그래 similar check so similar is 다 similar 인바이나 꼭 같이 그래 similar is 와야 중간에 teaching다 therefore triangle CBB is similar to triangle. This CBB 라는 CBB는 충분히 계셔보다. 대당 한 책을 대 CAB, CBB. 할래가 되고 CAB, CAB. 딱 similar 가치래. 네 인지를 고스워치래. similar 가치래라고 임바이나 아니 단단한 컨디션 가래 앵글다 앵글 디나 찍고 시간 때문에 송상에 대되면 좋아 so 딩한 쪽에 찍고 차기래 so 다디 디 통이들 triangle CAB 오케이 다디 양만도 similar 이바이나 아니 난도 그 레시오 가르치고 차기래 양만도 레시오도 발렌션이다 so that 충분히 대체한다 충분하게 CB로 시작하나 CB 중앙이 CB당 CB라나 중앙을 들어와 책이 CB기 adjacent 같이 들어나 BC로 와 BC 체 다나신 다음에 중앙 디직스 와야 중앙이 이외에 BC 램바이나 BC 램바이나 BC기 책이 같이 들어나 AC로 와 그래서 C라 adjacent 두고도 와 so AC라 다딩에 막 크로스 만들다는 drawing 바이나 BC 도와 so BC square 와 equal to the amount CP into AC so the 얘기 part 2 되셔 now let's see in equation 1 and equation 2 equation 1 다 equation 2 니 파야 혹시 시다 같이도 love in 바이나 딩에마 돔니 drawing 바나스 at doms at 1 and 2 1 the 2 dom dance तो 1 the 2 dom है ना d the dom है ना bc रो बेला हाँ dom शर्त दे करने चाहिए रो ab square plus bc square is equal to dom रो ab into ac plus cp into ac dom रो dom है दी equation राजा ले रो Tajir side chikdom, sujir side chikdom. So AB square here, AB square plus BC square equal to. That is now sometimes did not have a comment to AC the AC comment or soon a comment temperature. So the AC is to comment on the day colors of AP plus CP hash. What is AP plus CP? AP CP and hurry. AP CP means AC raw. So this is like AC chuda equal to AC into AC. AC into AC is AC square wa. So therefore, the number is AC square. Then we get the cappuccino. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. And then we get theorem de unkiyo. That is theorem de finish. And yes. The third thing is to love in by casing right angle triangle right angle triangle casing right angle triangle and dig side dinana ni hapuguna sumba de gansugi ka dine se tu relo ko dine tristan so bajenge turim de lelo de turim be music ha chimburda executive do in bana ta kesan gansu ni cheore di sumba de dinjur nana kora jamne chikte yebo sorshide so din person san executive do de kechimbuin 지다오라는 이야기라서 로브라다 두나치 토르 조인 바나 파티글 스튜름데 니에버도 셴고에직 디르다 so dimba sonza ani dinge desana dinge example ni shengro 직디샤 안 직샤바 파샤 셴 so ngora di ta gotsue rewayu baja 제시 갈랑삼 야고스파 개인삼 챙기도 so 데티 파치로시 당의 example 니라마 프로젝트 당분간도 디 표적 당당기 example 체 안시닝의 디 니워시 도션로와 딩의 example 니워 체싱다로와 응어나도 레마시 도션 디 example 니워 체싱다 로스 디 딩의 당분인다 example 당분이 직서로와 가서 디 프루프 체체 당의 example 넘버 당분 칭다는 Okay, my first example. Casing wantola tadi kaptu pujutangenda. Casing wantola dinjegi ani kapta condition building joshasha roa. Toa dos pa building joshasha. Toa an de sunju juna. Ni toa dos sunju joshasha. Tadi ni wanto dinde wi to chala dinde. Dinde yo in pa na. Dusi le roa an chik nge su toa jine duksesha roa. Roa disenchik niya pa dos palenda. Dos so simpai na. Ta din de bot chiko roa. Kanel le sam ta di. Kesi dinne ro simpai na. O dos roa. So dos yo impai na. Ta dinne ngan tu yang dos ma disenchile na lo. Right. So then also decent how go na tang eki te jiwa kare low in bana. Casing also de building jiwa in bana. Tang also ne given jayo da. Ani de da building ni de decent de khazur do se la na. Building ni jiwa wa. Phage building da suju building jina de building ni chu in bana chu phaga phaju chu chimbo che chu ni gi sur jora ani chu de gi shanga chijung khazur da low in bana. Ani de to no yan de zele pan to gres. Tang e de jiwa ma te shawin bana example. Casing of the building ring jo in banas and building chig ringdung shor wati nganzu ge kharso da 12 meter rich machasha ani chunga jore ding nganzu ge 9 meter rich machasha and dikima do shin point ching ga jore chig ya jore es and dik descent jore ding nganzu ge doa jin machasha chig dini ma lo chasha and dini ya jore chasha the ding nganzu genza sursha ge ringdung jore ding nganzu khatir na 15 meter and this is 15 meter. Yeah, 15 to you. Didn't Channel also Rodini A near B but the Rindun Kazudulana, but there was a particle stream Pujutan Chili. Kasna Tani Pujutan, Chick there, Pushistan, building the 19 percent, dear 19 percent. There building Pujutan was a dig descent. There was the Pujutan was a dig descent, descending the dog down as a Chuki Shangachung, building Yagi Para, Kazo Yume, Roa. Thing of the technometry na dine karuligiwa chikaso gan mate ni draw in by na building jun do smart and draw in by na modern ni na choosing ni yo in by na modern ni na modern chik de chik phage yo na modern ni de design khajo do law in by na pa de guru pen to short so de ko so tan ma ma ti can join I think the point p to chimachasha ta khanshi na dine pa de guru stream chile dine chile so pa de guru stream pushta da so ma de stream na hal na hypotenuse la de ra de ding and zugi ding and ming stasha rokas S and T to chimachasha. Tam triangle dikashta da SAP para tang chingpai na SP dira hypotenuse that means AC dra. So what the factor dik anta factor 15 dra. 15 square wa is equal to hypotenuse da shabani de domgyo dra shabani domgyo na de 12 wa. So then also get 12 square che tadi ha goma ha gomesa AP square raja sesha. So the matang join 15 into 15 laga. Tang of the Gama in life by the digging on Zuki square time in Nabadina, Injimi, 5 yo in a zidang chilo ga le common khare to lo in ba na 5 5s are 25 2 5 dan ge wa an na ba sama lo la khare ki multiply tang la na 2 ki multiply tang 2 1s are 2 2 5s are 10 11 12 1 tisha 1 2 sha 1 1s are 1 plus 1 2 2 25 see kya na ta da na shin equal to phajir tang shin ba na 2 2s are 4 yang 2 ki multiply tang 2 1s are 2 2 2s are 4 and then the pasha me also the dinner shin ha me also the 2 1s are 2 tang plus ab square the ab square la ti chu yong do so 225 minus 144 equal to ab square wa ta le lo she 225 ne ngan tu khar thyan law in pai na 225 ne 144 the magic thyan da and d ki value the ab ki value wa so ab square is equal to the ma thyan chin ne 100 the pa chik ching pai in pai na ye 8 wa so 81 so 81 that is square so ka pa dang yong do anzo khare kore ab square go ya ma anzo ab go ra de ab ki descent so ab ki descent yo so da root of 81 9 9 is 81 or 9 was so this is 9 meters ji ko ji ke ji phajin na sam tang chin dai wa hypotenuse khadre yang ge din awla 15 wa ta phajin triangle na chin bai na yang ga do ga le 15 square is equal to 9 square plus pb square pb square ba ha da ni 15 15 tang sa ba din na 15 15 la na 225 9 9 is 81 81 equal to pb square so pb square is equal to 225 ne 8110 225 ne 81 so 10 chin bai na 4 dini pa chi e 4 1 so 144 so pb is equal to root of 144 law in mana hazure 12 wa so 12 meter therefore ab chura ab is equal to ap plus pb wa so which is equal to the hazure 9 plus 12 which is equal to 21 meters. So this is a simple example. Is simple re. And the next one that under door do in bana right triangle jena right angle triangle jo in bana di nam side ni ha kona side sumba di nga tu di se tu re na te kung ke so jin so di nge example thang bo che ta example one gi nga tu re di example na ma ko shoot de la de de nga tu ge chik shen ba ko ka ta chang na ro the dinje yang chwo de zo kasu di exam na ma bu le de ngi jo chik dinje shu so nge di kang sun su de a dinje jing ma khung ge nge de sam shen so gang gi triangle da chik pa sam da ka se di khanda chi do sik sam da na ta ding example sam inda and then they gang gi di thanda example di khar khan to lo me pa na pa de ge student thoje tang dang sing gi di 야, 나 되게 example 되는 야, 고치 봤다. 나 되게 아주 궁기해. 아, 궁기해서 sometimes 또 부부도 딜해야 돼. 되게 가진 내발 내야 되네요. 또 그거 김수인 돈에 꼴랭이요. 패션 대기에 대 그룹 지을 것으로 사이드 가지고 딜레면 딜레면 가시니. 이 고해매와 디 트라이앵글 별당 가지고 중간에 디 고해매와 아니. 그래서 그대로 왕이 꼭 가래가래 그기도 꼭 그금민도 대답하는 내 거로 와. Also, that is my function in an equilateral triangle. So that means equilateral triangle. So a triangle in an equilateral triangle are A, B, C, and D is a point on BC. The D is a point on BC is the D is point is and thing on B patient on the thing on the A B C to machasha and D is a point on side BC the BC D machasha in a condition such that BD later, BD descent to the 1 by 3 of BC. So those are the BD now in Bana. The can sooner than your social that. G needed literature. So they are the teacher. So BD then has to assume G ni soon to finish part those. Being on to get a treasury darage. The D descent has to know in 1 by 3 of BC. BC get the Dumbo Hazuri, the sooner down on a parchik. The sooner tango and a dinner on a parchik did a shallow. Another Kung Harje loving by 9AD. The AD square about the square that you did not buy the good stream to watching you, but sure better something else. Then the Kung gave up to Kashiko, let's see. 백인체원하시 당분간도 solve condition and dinner cargo level in the giving goal. Dimension construction goal proof the pattern image margin to a so maybe answer the Lord's Tango giving card dinner. Giving card A, B, C, the equilateral triangle rings. Right? So A, B, C is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle ratios. The number of BD BD is equal to 1 by 3 of BC. They are given a law. But the Kunga to the Lega Cardo dinner, Lega Biro. Tell them to prove letter. So to Lega Cardo to prove. Once again, Lega Cardo law in Bana 9AD is equal to 7AB squared. Think of Kungia. That the Kungia dinner construction to catch with the construction. Construction large dinner was a particle student Pichatanga, Drogoish half more than Nala. In a particle student Pichatanza, catching Tansa right angle triangle tomorrow. China was then a construction right angle triangle to that. There were those much to the death. So the 93 then on the point that Ming Peter star Shasha. Hashini particle student purchase Tansik such a little dinner. Karela to low in banner, triangle, there do, right angle triangles, there I do. So the was on the angle construction GG. So then a construction current draw AB is perpendicular to BC. Thing is construction chains. That the clear chain. Example of shoe and the drama at least them given over catch it, don't mention dinner ratus. Catch a side to that. So this way change image did that big kitchen book. Now to China partial to the construction stress, Tama Kung gains, they are not very proof. PROOF proof the Tama Kung kicking enough. That the Kung Gela, Tamon was a partial to low in Bana. Equal triangle equal song, sides on a high, Chibushia. So famous of the correct how to low in Bana. AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. Which is equal to let's say x in Machasha B. Equilateral triangle who do the x in Machasha. So this one is x and drawing by na chiche. That the name of the tools for drawing by na in a ching of Karahabudulana. That one of the particle stream Pachimata or the Ganza x in by na, Shannon deep descent hazard to low in by na, the Ganza x Kichero. In a dear harbor to be given a terror, but to Karahabu to low in by the BD terror. So giving current BD, which is equal to BD the terror, 1 by 3 of BC. What? Digit terror. Even the BP hazard. BP the 1 by 2 of BC. The BC, this is having an extension degree. This level X shape, then an extension degree. This one was excellent team, but the Z geller, BPP, rotation again the Yamabi. X like you could chip a chart. So, digit digger shape. So, BP then BC is checker. So, X is checker down the hero. Tango never cargo to the name, the nature got there. The nature DP currency, DP. So DP la ha some chana DP di se la so di ganza ne di tenda di ganza ha ko so ani di chiri de la ha ko yo te yo so di se la so di ganza ne di pa tenda DP ra so so mo ka chiri DP se na so de bi do ha ko da DP jo wa DP is equal to BP minus BT. You see that? You see that? What's under the energy when I think answer that? The Google and I think answer and this would turn the Korachi to grow. So they not shade it. But the part the Google, the answer, the part to them. DP the last one. Then I catch it to learn how old the BP how old BP did the half of the one. So I'm teaching the which is equal to 1 by 2x minus BT how old 1 by 3 of x. That the simplification across a 3x at the pattern minus 2x divided by 2 3s are 6, which is equal to the 1 by 6x rather. 1 by 6x dp. How about the student first down to the by the student first down Simbaina? In right angle triangle this. That was the correct Google to in right triangle, in a right triangle, ADP la samdana, ADP la samdana, AD, that later the AD league so AD square right angle triangle did 19 by the dinner samdana those hypotenuse square so then I was AD square is equal to DP or plus 0. DP square plus AP square. AP square. Think of the pi degree stream draw. I'm pregnant on a teacher pi degree stream. So think of the pi degree stream. The thing I want to choose where I should have done. Correct on AB go the AP and BC and I degree when you can't like okay. This now want to valuation but I'm hashing sometime. AT the 80 you was not a Rajasha. That DP is the DP. So DP. These are going to Karichukimba. That is AP list AP because of DP. DP list to AP. DP value on the depends on the DP value. The AP the summertime, AP the summertime. AP the one to give trying to need a picture of that. Right angle triangle. Ching on the dinner first time, chick those picture there. The channel the Karasamdans are learner one. That is yeah. AD square is equal to DP. DP in the value house of Rajasha. DP square share. That's yeah there. AP is a AP square. AP square is the AP square. AP in the one. Channel Samadanda. By the stream, Shamash Pishana. AB square is equal to BP square plus AP square. They are by the stream rod. Channel Samadana finish rod. AB square is equal to BP rod. BP square plus AP square. AP square. That was a AP square go to the AB square minus BP square equal to AP square. Just like AP square is a teacher. The Gaza Machunda. So, this is ABP minus BP square means the Kashi Chugula and the value is a Hakoramago. And Machuga. Kashini BP Lavato, so the BP there. BP how was the BP there Hakudu? AB value there Hakore extra. And DP on the salary, the Shinity must simplify share. And Shining of the cartoon. Let's see. Hi 18 da. 80 now so okay has 80 then a good one. That was the current good to A B apart good to and A B gets up wrong to the BC Rama from equivalent shrine in Basonza. So then this simplifies that or DB 1 by 6 of x. 1 by 6 of x. Masama to change that one. AB and the relation of AB and the extra. AB value, right? So AB x minus x square, right? plus x squared a b lo ate so ding e thap tu chu sing x next khalas wa okay x squared wa ab minus this ab squared wa then minus bb and where is bb so bb there 1 by 2x ab square but this is square this one ab this square is there must have square wa there is square down there wa there wa square down there okay let's see here dp lava to dp की value कैसे लाना dp की value there wa and dp lava to square down also the whole square बचे ab la square also the whole square is bb la so bb there 1 by 2 extra 1 by extra in square down there square माता नहीं वहाँ शुरू मसवा तो ना square पाता okay तंग simplify चेंज ना ad square is equal to the mas x na x square शिकवा divided by 6 right the root की नीचे थे लो square दी so 6 36 है plus x square है minus the data चिंग बना खर्चा so x square वा divided by data दी 2 4 है तभी वहाँ simplify into this शुरू दो है ना तो तक ये कितने जो square वाला तो ना so let's see here ad square is equal to सामने माचे चिको स्क्वायर शंजी के लिए तो माचे चिको स्क्वायर नहीं हुआ रुआ तेरा मन लोगों लोग तांग शरे यार हाँ कोवा तुंगे तांग शरे लोगों क्या वो क्या मिलूं कैसी ना तो 36 चिको स्क्वायर ना 36 चिको स्क्वायर ना and then x रांझा रुआ x square है plus then 36 नहीं हो सकता कोला खातू 36 तांग जीरो 36 x square है 36 x square है minus then 36 ले रहा 9 तांग रहा 4 9 से 9 रो 9x square तभी ये दी पार्ट चेंज जी से शो रो अलन आंसर तक ले सारी ना ये चेंज जी ना पार्ट में सिंगा AD okay AD square is equal to sama domer ba imba dine khate lo dini dom chik dom gro 37 ni ma 9 theng do ya roda nam ji todan ki positive ni dom di shuro so negative so ma the to calculation kharchana dig do adi domer the jire so dot dim ba na 36 kana chik dom ba na 37 and 37 minus 9 right dini dom na 37 chik ro de 37 36 kana chik dom na 37 ro x square ro dene ngan and kharche dom chona de sama like jam de x square kya ro so dene an ngan ma 9 the 9 negative ro so dene pa chi ye so in ma ten chin ba na 9 ni ga cha sa de chubdu ni ta mai ba na 8 ma ra is 8 2 ro gon ni ta di solution gon ni chu ji chu ni chu sun chu shi chu nga chu tu chu de is 8 ro is a 28 so the 28 here 28 x square ro x square divided by 36 and then cancel ta hardly do 2 bita 2 1s are 2 2 4s are 8 chera 2 1s are 2 2 9s 2 8s are 16 2 8s are 16 che then also 2 bita da ro 2 7s are 14 2 9s are 18 okay so 9 less what 9 ya cross man da da yes we get the answer here 9 and 7 so the other thing by na 9 ya man da 9 AD squared is equal to the 7 or 7. What is x? X 가려 돼 이거 좀 셔야 돼. x인바. So x also 가려 보거든. A B 보기도 와. So 먼저 x 탑을 A B 지는 되기로 와. So A B squares. 어디데 다딩에 가서 디 지와다 가족 그거 여기 나오는 애당에 있잖아. 마블 내조 중에 수 다가스 수 되는 샤샤에. So 디 버선자 교환서다 지 바이디 그리스 트림 쿠란 표적다네. 아니 지와 가족 망망 교환서 거는 봐 아니 배선 치료 시래. 러서 안에 testel에